Hey guys, it's Lou with Bronstein Auction Company. I've got the walkthrough preview video for December 6th at 6 p.m. This is our specialty auction. It's going to be a little bit smaller of an auction, but definitely no uncooler than the other auction. This is going to be amazing. We got a lot of really neat collector pieces, all kinds of neat stuff. You are going to love this auction. Again, this is for Tuesday, December 6th. 6 p.m. sharp. Preview will be this evening, Monday, from 6 to 8 p.m. and tomorrow from 3 to 5 p.m. on Tuesday on sale day. Depending on when you're watching this video, will kind of depend on when you're getting that and what date you got that. So it'll be Monday night, 6 to 8 for preview, and Tuesday 3 till 5 p.m. and then we go live virtual at 6 p.m. These have sterling handles on them, guys. I'm going to bring you around here. The coins will run in succession after the numbers that are on them. So you'll know 20C and 20D will run after item number 20. Those are 1891 and 1890 Morgan dollars. These guys are really cool. State of Hawaii. We have silver dollar proof. We have 14 karat rings, size 7.5, size 7, size 5. I'm going to bring it on over here. Here is a key piece, and this will not be kept on property tonight. It'll be back for sale time and preview tomorrow, but it will be available to preview this evening. 65 walking liberties, including all key dates in succession in one book, all the way from 47D back to 1916. Yes, 65 coins in that collection. We have sterling bracelets, all kinds of Swarovski. That's a mouthful. We have 14 karat earrings, a David Yurman sterling 18 karat and diamond bracelet, assorted coins, lots and lots of rings by the lot loads. And we're going to bring you over here. We have $2 bill crisp. We have more Morgan dollars, 1879S and an 1886 O, Morgan 1900 O. We have a 1880 Morgan. We have Pandora bracelets. Yes, these are the real things, the real Pandoras. We have the Islands of Adventure Popeye original watch, numbered. We have a 14 karat ring and some peace dollars in mint condition. We have this gorgeous size 8 ring, which is gold, 14 karat gold, rubies and diamonds. Okay, she has over 1,200 invested in that ring because the lady had added on the diamonds and so forth to it. So that's a cool piece. Again, those are sterling. We have the Hermione Pops. We have Hermione, we have Harry Potter and Weasley. We have the spotting scopes, really, really nice. Authentic Oakley sunglasses, absolutely gorgeous. Like I say, guys, this is our specialty sale. We have this little Marshall Bluetooth setup right here, which is cool. It's our specialty sale where we do some of the cooler, more unique items. It's a small kind of flash auction, and you get to buy some really cool stuff. Couple-hour little auction, but lots of neat stuff. We have some amazing rings, sterling, etc. Come on in and check it out. Monday, 6 to 8 p.m. for inspection. We have a Yeti Blue mic. You know what those are worth. Lots of comic books, lots of figures, more comic books. And look here, we have a great Murano violin. Or those are Murano strings. It's a violin, really nice. Looks like almost brand new. We have an FBV custom foot controller. Look this baby up. I did. It's worth hundreds and hundreds. We have a really nice Crate electric guitar, triple pickup. Nice piece right there. Bringing it on over, we have some gold foil stamps. We have this Cleveland saxophone. What an oldie, guys. Really cool piece. I'll walk you around here. And we have the Mongo Prestige proof sets with the silver dollars. These are amazing sets, guys. So check them out here. Really, really awesome. Bring it on down. We have Nolan Ryan. We have Willie Mays graded sports cards. And we're going to walk you on out over here. We have this gorgeous, gorgeous piece of artwork signed by Linda Niff. Cannot tell what the signature is, but signed and numbered. Bringing it on over here, we have some Maui gems. These are all authentic Ray-Bans, really cool ones too. This is authentic Fabergé. Guys, you don't find this. Check that out. Fabergé piece in mint condition. The real deal. All right, bringing it on down here, we have Star Wars collectibles. Absolutely amazing. I didn't skip the Star Wars earlier. No, I didn't. Whew. All right, we have a money clip or bracelet, both of which are sterling. All right, here's what we're going to do. And we are going to auction off an ever-famous Bronstein auction t-shirt with all the proceeds going to the Christmas fund. So you buy the shirt, everything you spend goes into the Christmas fund. We've already taken care of 2 families and have many more. So we're already on the go there. We have Vivian Ward, Twinkie the Kid, Captain Marvel, Woody Woodpecker, Goku, you name it. We got choice on. We got Star Wars ones, Violet. We have choice on your Pops. And we have some really amazing collection of comic books. We have the Dwight Howard signed basketball. Lots of cool knives. Look at that. That's a cool piece. We have a Coach purse. And walking it around the block here, we have mint stamp albums. Yeah, these are going to be awesome, guys. We have the Pitcairn Islands. We have a whole setup of stamps there. Bringing it on around, we have this beautiful vintage lamp, a collection of lighters and pens, and you name it. More stamp collections. Spooky mirror. The Spooky Claw, that is sharp, guys. Look at this beauty right here. Absolutely gorgeous leaded glass lamp and a Kai MPK Mini. Y'all know what that's worth. We have, those are so cool. I always love those guys, the little sitars or whatever you call them. We have a squeeze box for Mama's chest. Mama's got a squeeze box she wears on her chest. You ever, who did that song? Yeah, that's your trivia for the day. Flute. Jadro, yes. Star Wars collectibles. Brand new A40 headset in the box. Great for Christmas time. Sterling necklaces. Hey, don't forget Christmas time jewelry is always a good present, guys. Look here, we have harmonicas and knives. And we have this really nice CD and record player. This whole collectible tray full of amazing old pens. That really nice piece there. That is also leaded glass. You get some light on the subject over here. We have Sarah Gray signed. We have Herschel Walker. We have Mark Steger. We have Mike Wingert. And we have this cool piece. This thing is absolutely amazing. Self-defense weapon 101. All right, bring it on over here. We have another whole lot of knives. We have a whole setup of your Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Pokemon. Yeah, look at this. This is just jam loaded with Pokemon, guys. Amazing. Got this dagger right here. And we're going to round around the bend right here, and we're going to bring it on into the Neiman Marcus. Yep, absolutely phenomenal Neiman Marcus serving set. This really cool. And I mean, it's neat, and the operation of that, and the drawers just kind of suck right in. And then we have a Stratocaster, Fender Stratocaster guitar with the gig bag, not including the stand. And then bringing it on over here, we have 5 times on Spider-Man collectibles, collectible comics. And then we have Green Lantern. Yep, really cool. And we're going to bring it on down here. We have X-Men, etc., Iron Man, another set of 3 really cool comics. Kiss collectibles right here. Big time, still sealed in the box, guys. And look here, you got choice of Hendrix or LeBron James. Look at this absolutely phenomenal Swarovski Panther, Cat, Cheetah. Yep, beautiful piece. We have some more collectible stamp books, and we have a nice leather jacket. We're going to round the bend here, and we have this amazing, it's still brand new in the box, guys, an RFX reflection filter portable acoustic device. This is for your microphone if you're doing podcasting, etc. We have choice on the Marvel Legends, this really cool Reed and Barton drink set. The towel sterling. This is all sterling, guys. We are going to get a weight of each piece and get you a count. so that you know what it is. This is all sterling, and as you know, the knife handles are sterling, and the actual cut part is stainless. So we'll weigh the knives separately for you to get you an approximate weight on that. There is a lot of weight there. We have Whitey Ford signed with a COA. We have a hookah and the Luca head. And we have another gorgeous sterling bracelet right here. And we're going to bring it on over. Wow, one of the really cool Darth Vader swords. Lightsaber. Cool as can be. Original Pinto placards. Another sterling bracelet. 107 right here is a Jasmine guitar. Really nice sound, rich sound to it, guys. Bringing it on over. A Vintage Pro. You don't find these. 128 classic synthesizer key, a module, an EMU. Very expensive piece, guys. All right, bring it on over here. We have Matt Demrit. We have a weighted sterling candlestick. We have Emily Swallow. And we have John Morris, the voice of, what's his name? Of Andy. And then we have some really cool collectible M&Ms. We have Daniel Egan signed. Journey albums, really cool. I'm going to walk you on out here. And we have this 1989 Playmobil Victorian Mansion. Really cool piece, guys. Absolutely amazing. No lack of detail on it from the inside to the outside. And we're going to bring you on over here. We have choice of the weapons. Oh yeah, this looks like Hunger Games to me. Bringing it on out. All right, we have a really cool vintage reel. Some awesome speakers. We have the sub with the 1,000-watt crunch. You know what those cost. We have a nice set of pile speakers. The gold tone note, sterling earrings. Some really cool military pictures. Really neat stuff, guys. It's going to be a great little sale. Bringing it on over here, we have the Starship Enterprise. We have the complete collection from 1992 to 2009 of the state quarters. A nice vintage trumpet for you. Wacom writing pad. We've got a Yamaha keyboard with a case. Big boy, we got the really King Mambo right here. This Yamaha is the one that you have literally the keys that feel like live keys. And then we have the Super Minolta camera setup with the case, jam loaded. Another dagger, really cool snow globe, another really old vintage reel. And bringing it on over here, we're going to finish it out with some stamps, some comics, and Anthony Cole. And then we're going to finish out right here with this really cool setup of Nevada. Oh, that's metal, guys. That's a metal bank. Really cool. And these babies work. Buckaroo Bank. Check it out. Maybe I'm a winner. I got 3 cherries. All right, that's it, guys. It's going to be a great sale. It's going to be Tuesday, December 6th, 6 p.m. We'll kick it off live. Inspection is Monday night from 6 to 8 p.m. Come in and see me. And Tuesday from 3 to 5 p.m. If you're not registered with us at that point, you can get registered. And we'll look forward to seeing you. It's going to be a great auction. Have an amazing day, guys. Talk to you soon. You can see all the information at BronsteinAuction.com. I will have all the final photos up very shortly. If you're watching this live, they're not up yet. And if you're not watching it live, chances are they're up. Have a great day. Give us a call at 407-917-7355 if you need more information. I'll see you.